Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I have a Sézane haul. It's not a real haul. I mean it is, it's a mini haul. I picked up two new pieces from Sézane for the spring. I told myself I would hold back because you know Sézane has such frequent releases, re-releases, restocks, all of that. And I just placed a pretty big order, which actually this top was part of that order, and I was really on the fence about keeping this one because I didn't know if it was too out there for me. So glad I did. As an aside, I've already worn this so many times and it's not even spring yet, and I was 100% thinking this would be a spring summer blouse, but I love it. It's just the little bit of pop that I need. And I actually did my son's 2-year like photo shoot. We do like a little at-home photo shoot with him for the past 2 years as a tradition. And I wore this and I was like, oh, this was so perfect. It was just so fun and bright and it makes me really happy. So glad I ended up keeping this, wearing it again today. I'm gonna wear it as many times as I possibly can. Anyway, I have already been thinking about spring and what I want in my wardrobe. I've never really been good at the transitions between winter and spring. I usually go straight from all of my warm winter wools, knits, all of that into summer. Like I just stretch that out. And maybe there is a natural transition, but yeah, I'm trying to be a little bit more intentional about really transitioning my mindset too, because winter I tend to get like the winter blues and be demotivated, and so injecting a little bit of color, a little more fun, and doing that transition a little more seamlessly is something that I'm aiming to do. We'll see how that goes. But today I want to share that I got two new pieces from the collection that Sézane recently did with Lucia Vergara. I believe that's how you say it. And yeah, it's a little collab that they did. And a lot of the pieces, to be totally honest, really weren't my cup of tea. But there was one piece in particular that really stole my heart. It was a Max shirt. And if you saw my Sézane like 2025 collection overview, you might remember that I also fell for the Max shirt in the leopard. I love the Max shirt. I have a whole video dedicated to my collection of Max shirts. I wear them so much, so I don't feel bad about investing in those because the cost per wear on that garment in particular is phenomenal for me. I wear them probably too much, honestly. And so when I saw the one that I'm about to show you, I was like, oh, it's so beautiful. And then there was a matching Le Crop pant that I was like, I've tried the Le Crops before. They have not worked for me. I tried them pre-baby and they were too big. Tried them post-baby, they were too tight. Like I've been trying the size 4 and the size 6, and I think I even tried the size 8 postpartum, and they just did not suit my body type. But I don't know, I can't get over this style of pant. I love a wide leg, and for the spring, a cropped wide leg sounds awesome. And then when I saw the matching set, I was like, let me try it. So I'm gonna show you that now. I'm gonna show you some try-ons. You tell me if I should keep the Le Crop. I'm still on the fence about it because I'm like, will I really wear it? So let me just stop yapping and I'll show you what I got. So here's my box. I've already opened it, already tried everything on. So this isn't a proper unboxing. This is not my first look. I couldn't help myself, but it came beautifully packaged. Over the winter, my Sézane order came in just like a regular brown box. I think the inside was printed and that was a little disappointing. So I was kind of happy to see that I got like the full experience again. And here's a little sneak peek, if you can see the little embroidery on here. It's nothing too crazy, but it's crazy for me. I ended up getting the collab with the little like daisy flowers embroidered on, and as you can see, it's like a tan beige, like a tan, more of a tan, orangey tan, or golden embroidery on this just ecru, like off-white shirting, and it's a nice heavy weight. But when I first felt it, I was like, oh, it doesn't feel like 100% cotton. It's a little bit softer and a little almost slick. And I realized that I just assumed it was 100% cotton when I purchased it, which is not something I usually do. Or maybe I looked at it and it did say that on the website and I didn't register that it's actually a cotton blend of cotton, modal, and then 10% silk, which I've never seen. And then the embroidery is polyester, as I would expect. But yeah, that's why it has a slightly softer, drapier feel to it. And I'll be showing some try-ons. And then I also got the pant, which is the same blend, and that is the Le Crop in the same adorable print. And I am so smitten with it. Like, smitten is the actual word for it. It's just so adorable. I also love this tag. It's very cute, and it has the Sézane denim tag as per usual. I just really adore it. Like, the tag for the collab is very cute too. I don't have a ton of collab pieces. I have a couple, but usually the collabs are just a little too niche for me. I remember the Farm Rio one last year being like super, super viral, and there's one belt I have from a collab, and maybe one other piece I have from a collab, but other than that, I haven't really had the best of luck with them. But this one, these pieces in particular really stole my heart. I also happened to get the tote bag, which this is one of the few tote bags that I won't re-gift to someone. I love this one. It looks like a little cross-stitch print, and it has spring, summer, fall, and winter on it, and the colors are like definitely my muted color palette. I will be using this for sure, especially in the summer when I become just a tote bag lady. But yeah, so the tote bag is super lovely. Love it. It feels like a canvas material, just a little bit rougher than some of the other tote bags. I do like Sézane's tote bags. I do use tote bags a lot in my life. I gift them a lot. Whenever I give gifts, I use the tote bags. I use them to store linens also, like keep my sheet sets together in my cabinet. So I actually really do use these. The ones that I love the most, there was a striped set, I think last 2 summers ago maybe, that were really lovely, and I kept all of those. And then I have one from winter that was like a velvet corduroy kind of, and I got it in the black, which was perfect for me. And I think for the most part, all the others I end up giving away, especially like the floral ones. I just don't end up reaching for them. So this one will definitely get used. Let's move into the try-ons, because I really need to make a decision soon before the return window closes. And maybe I'll try them with a couple of things. Like, actually, maybe I can wear these two together. Like, they have similar colors, but will the print on print be too much for me? I don't know. So I'm gonna try this on and try and style a couple of outfits, and then please let me know down below if you think I should keep them both. I think the Max for sure I will keep. I think it's just so fun, and I feel like my son will love it too. He loves to like point out flowers when we go for walks, and like we talk about flowers a lot, and whenever we have fresh flowers, he talks about like mama's flowers on the table. So I don't know, it makes me think of him. So I'm already a little sentimental about this piece, and I know I'll wear it, but the Le Crop I'm questioning. So on to try-ons. Oh, okay, while I'm already doing try-ons, I actually should show you. So today I'm just wearing these with my Levi's ribcage jeans and this little brown belt. It feels just very easy for me, tucked in. Yeah, I'm so glad I ended up keeping this top, because I'm not huge on like puffy sleeves, but this is actually a raglan with just some little pleats. And that detail I am really like so fond of now. I love that it doesn't have the high neck like so many of the Sézane blouses in my, like that I've actually added a couple. And I like that it's just a little more free and casual. And so yeah, this ended up working out so well. The sleeve length is beautiful. The drape is really nice. So is the back tucked well? Yep. Anyway, I feel like it's just easier for me to wear than I thought it would be. Okay, now on to the new pieces. Okay, so I think this is too much for me, even though it is cute, but I don't know if I would wear it. So it's these beautiful little, I love them. I actually think I really love them. With this top, I mean, it's super cute, but I don't know. I don't think I am a super pattern mixer like this. It would have to be like a really special occasion, like a kid's birthday party. I think maybe I would do that. Like if any of my son's classmates or friends have a party, then maybe. Or like a themed thing. I don't know. I don't think that I would wear this normally. And then if you can see the crop, oh, maybe I need to tilt you down a little bit. Let's see. Okay, that's a little better. Hold on, let's go a little further. There we go. Okay, So this is how the Le Crop looks on me. Yeah, I think I like it. I don't think it's too short, which is always like an issue. I'm 5'9", so making sure that the pants look intentionally cropped is a little bit hard. It would be nerve-wracking if this does shrink in the wash, which I have a feeling they would. So that's something for me to consider. Okay, this is with the Max shirt itself. Kind of looks like pajamas, not gonna lie. Let me tilt you up. Okay, so yeah, it looks a bit like pajamas like this, but I think if I were to wear it as a set, I would have to wear this open with something in between, just so that it's not so pajama-y. I don't know if I would actually wear them as a set though, because it gives major pajamas. It doesn't help that my whole background is like the same color too. So I don't know. This is giving me pause. Even though I'm like a Max shirt loyalist, I'm thinking maybe the pants are actually the winner this time. Because I have so many Maxes. And if I'm not gonna wear them as a set, do I really want one covered in flowers? I don't know. What do you think? And I usually unbutton them. This one's a little stiff. I like to roll up my Max so it's not so much fabric and so overwhelming. As you can see, it feels just a little more casual, a little more California for me. I don't know. Let's see. I think this one's a little too thick to really want to tie. Yeah, it'll be a little bulky, so I don't think I would tie it. Okay, I don't know about this one, this Max shirt. I really like it. I really like the fabric. Maybe a half tuck too. Let's see. But I don't think I would wear this as a set, honestly. Okay, a little bit of elbow or shoulder. Funny thing, my son has discovered my elbows recently and he's obsessed with them. He's constantly asking to cuddle mama's elbow. And I'm like, of all the parts of my body that are soft and squishy and comfy, you choose my elbow. So funny, toddlers are so weird. Okay, this is like more of a French tuck. I'm not gonna tuck all the way around. I could tuck all the way around too. But this I actually like a lot more. Would I wear it like this? It might be a lot for me, but it's pretty cute. Okay, let's try with some different combos. Okay, so I just pulled my jeans back on, which is definitely a classic go-to. Like this is honestly my mom uniform, is a Max shirt with some good denim, or having a tank top underneath and this open, which maybe I'll do next, or even a t-shirt underneath, doing like I did before, the half tuck situation. Like it's just it's so easy. Layering a little jacket on top. Like this I love. I love the little flowers. It's like fun. It's honestly like something I would wear to the park with my son. Yeah, it's super easy. I could just jazz it up a little bit, make sure I have some good accessories. Like just a cutie little bag. And it just feels like an intentional outfit. And it's really fun. Oh, okay. Now I'm back on the train of keeping both. So as you can see, I need help. Even if they don't get worn as a set ever. Cool. Okay, so I grabbed a black t-shirt, even though it feels like a lot of contrast, but I don't mind it because there are these like dark gray little centers to the flowers. That kind of pulls it together a little bit. And this is like a linen tee, so it's a little washed black, not totally black. And I like how it drapes. I like the textures with these pants and then the linen quite a bit. And I also wanted to see what this looks like with the top as an overshirt. So let's try this back on. Maybe a little contrast will make it feel more like an outfit and less like PJs or workwear, like workers wear. Okay. Okay, so what do you think? With maybe a tank top, a black tank would be better, so a little more skin is showing. But if I mind it together like this. What do you think? Actually, I do think I like this. I think it would be better with like a nice pop of color, maybe a white tee in these pants, and maybe one like solid colored t-shirt is something I need to add to my wardrobe this spring and summer. So I'm not just wearing black, white, gray, and beige t-shirts. All right, let's try one more, I think. I like this so much more than I thought I would with the white. So I think I would layer up a lot of necklaces in this case, or maybe some like beaded necklaces, like really go chunky and like a little over the top. But I really love this. It just feels very me. It's a lot of white for sure, but I like white, like tonal whites together. And I think it would be really cute with my sandals. And then I was just thinking that maybe with even my denim max shirt over it to add even more color. Again, I think a t-shirt is a little much. It's like a lot of fabric, but maybe with a white tank under here, that would be really good. Okay, well, this was a useful little try lots of things on. Okay, if you made it this far, thank you so much as I tried all these pieces on. Please tell me what you think. What did you think of these two pieces? Which one should I keep? Should I keep both of them? Which looks made sense? Or if you have other ideas for me, I literally was just like, let me unbox these, and then I came up with just a couple of ways that I typically, like my uniforms, the ways I typically style clothes. So this might have been really not that creative. I feel like maybe even a slip dress underneath the Max shirt. Like I do that sometimes, a big oversized shirt on top of a dress. Maybe that would be good too, I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think, if you have any ideas and which ones I should keep. And if you like videos like this, please stick around and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.